Good morning. Well, it's Saturday morning and we're doing a bit of an emergency cleanup right now. This is not directly related to the city, but it's really close by and it's along the Rouge River. So we're going to come over here, we're going to pick up a few things and see if we can't make a difference in what's going on around here. So you'll see some more pictures of some even more of this material further along, but I wanted to show you this, and this is excellent. This is why we're doing it. We got some Friends of the Rouge, right? And we are friends with Friends of the Rouge, and they have come here and gladly planted a bunch of native trees down here in this area. And those little white posts that you see down there are protecting the saplings that are growing. So in exchange for their kindness to us, we thought it would be a nice idea to come on over here and stop this material from making it down into that little orchard that they got growing. Okay, we'll see more later. Thank you.